Keung To's birthday, April 30th, Hong Kong Tramways Free Ride Day. April 30th is the birthday of Keung To, a member of the popular boy band Mirror. The Keung To Hong Kong Fan Club has cooperated with the Hong Kong Tramways Limited for the third consecutive year to arrange Keung To's birthday on April 30th as a free tram ride day. Congratulating Keung To on his 25th birthday. This year, there are 3 different styles of advertisements on 5 Keung To birthday congratulatory trams. The 5 trams numbered 47, 80, 140, 158 and 171 will be walking on the streets from now on and will be on the streets within April. Randomly appear at different times and routes to meet fans.